Muc-Off review. Is this the best bike cleaning kit? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for Muc-Off. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below and where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're gonna purchase products right here from Muc-Off. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So according to Trustpilot right here, Muc-Off has a 4.7 star rating out of 5 stars with 13,201 reviews. So this right here is the review summary. So reviewers overwhelmingly had a great experience with this company. Customers are particularly satisfied with the quality and effectiveness of the products, noting they perform exactly as expected. Consumers appreciate the wide range of products available and the ease of finding what they need on the website. The fast delivery service and well-packaged items also contribute to a positive shopping experience. People highlight the excellent customer service, with representatives like Ali and Rob being frequently mentioned for their helpfulness and quick resolution of issues. Reviewers also value the company's commitment to sustainability, noting their recyclable packaging and biodegradable products. Overall, the brand is highly recommended for its top-notch products and exceptional support. So yeah. So here are some of the products right here that Muc-Off has to offer. So it has bicycle products right here, bicycle pressure washers, motorcycle products and motorcycle pressure washers right here, and some tools and accessories. So let's go to the bicycle pressure washers right here. So here are the products right here for the pressure washers. So again, if you want to get special discounts or special promos for these Muc-Off products, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, so they have pressure washers right here, some cleaners, some protectants, some lubes, and some accessories right here that you can choose from. So yeah, you can check all of these out. So yeah, again, make sure to click on the link in the description below if you want to get special discounts or special promos from these products right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the review. So yeah, so if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.